welcome to my channel. My name is Madeline, if you're new. If not, welcome back. So, today, my nails are looking smacked. And I did a video not too long ago about like my quarantine glow up because we're all at home and none of us can go get our nails, hair, lashes, tan, all that stuff done. So I did a video not too long ago basically doing all my at-home stuff, and one of the things I did was my nails, and so many people liked them. But the thing is I'm not satisfied because I was just doing gel manicures and I want the whole shebang. Okay, I want the whole shebang. I saw on Instagram a ton of Polygel ads and I feel like the universe was just talking to me, you know what I mean? Like, it was just talking to me. A ghost. Oh my god, I swear I just saw a ghost in my reflection over there. Guys, okay. Anyways, I've had 2 cups of coffee in a very short amount of time. So I would like to apologize. And I thought that that would come to my benefit for, you know, energy and, you know, like, you know, drive for my day. But really, I think it might make me shaky. So anyways, we're gonna do our nails with Polygel in dual forms. The brand I have is Mario Kart, just kidding. Macart Nail Builder. I got this off of Amazon. I'll link it down below for you guys. This is what the kit looks like, okay? It wasn't cheap and it took a minute to get here because of everything happening, you know. That's fine with me. I'm not complaining. I did sanitize it, so don't worry, I'm not gonna get sick. So I got this kit off of Amazon. It was a little pricey. I also have my lamp. This is the lamp I've always had. It's actually, I have other lamps that are better than this, but this is my favorite. It's the Madame Glam one. You can get it off of like Madame Glam's website, Wish, Amazon, whatever. I got it from working with them like a few years back, but it's like a little travel one and I love it because it's really easy to just grab and throw and get ready to do. So you'll need a lamp to cure, and yeah, I got these forms. So I'm going to do the baby boomer, you know what I mean, the baby boomer, oh, I almost threw up. I am going to do the baby boomer ombre pink and white ombre nails, and I think I'm gonna do coffin because that is the vibe. So let me move all this ish out of the way. It comes with the dual forms. You don't get a lot, honestly, so you might need to order more. It comes with this guy right here. Sorry if it's loud, my windows are open, it's fine, nature. It comes with this, which has the little spatula on one side and a little brushy dude on the other. Cool, and it's also bedazzled, so A+ Macart. Then it comes with, you get, these are the color Polygels. You get natural pink, dark pink, bright white, clear, misty rose, a light pink. Then you get base gel and top it off. And then you also get this little nail file and this little guide here, which I've already read thoroughly. Okay, wait, it's crooked and it's gonna drive me crazy. There, quick sip of the Joe. I've never done this before. So this is just me genuinely attempting to do this. So the first thing I'm gonna do though is buff out my nails. If you have a nail buffer, that's even better. Use a nail buffer. But I'm just gonna buff them with this little guy right here. Should I push my cuticles back? Oh, I'm lazy though. But I feel like you're definitely going to be able to. No, it's fine. I'm not gonna push my cute. Should I do it? No. Should I? No. Oh my gosh, I just realized everybody like hasn't had their nails done and I'm about to just pop off with straight up salon quality nails. I should FaceTime everybody. I should FaceTime everybody. I'm the queen of DIY, okay? And if this works and I figure out a way to save money and look good, I'm about to open up my own unlicensed salon. I think that I just need one nail. I think that the reason they don't give you a lot is because you genuinely, like, after you pop a nail off, you can reuse the form. Am I right about this? We love, wow, we love a recyclable biatch. Okay, wait. Let me just set these aside, put them back into their respective receptacles. Okay, we got our colors. So the colors that I'm gonna use are bright white, Then we're gonna use natural pink, and then we have this dark pink for the lowest part of our nail. So what you do, okay, it's fine. We're just gonna wing it. What you do is you take some, like this. It's like the consistency of like a toothpaste. Then you put it in your form, right? Let me clean this guy off though. And then I also read online, watched in videos that this needs to be very, very, very thin. The layer that's closest to your cuticle, it's gotta be thin. Because it's gotta be thin. Oh my God, we dropped our form. So I went and got some acetone kind because I think that that's what I need. Oh, she's strong. Oh, she's strong. Yeah, that's exactly what I needed. Okay. So, oh God, I hope I'm doing this right. We need a little bit more. Here, I got too much. It's fine. Okay. Oh my God, I got way too much. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Okay. Now we're in business. Now we're just gonna brush it. Brush it. Oh, this is so, honestly, this is a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. What if this looks bad? How do I get it off? Same way? How do I get it off? Right, white. We take some of that. Good. Then we put it right, we just plop it in there. Right? Okay, good. Now we work her in there. Yeah. Now we are pressing. Oh shit, that's not supposed to be like that. So the ombre thing was not really working out. So I'm gonna take dark pink. We're gonna put that in the nail form. Now we're going to just work it in to the nail form. So the ombre is a little too advanced for Madaline. Not the best at the ombre. So I'm just going ahead, going with the flow here, just doing a solid color. If anything, I'll do ombre on my other fingernails. But this is where I'm at. Gently pressing onto the middle finger. We have some extra liftage here. We're curing it. Okay. Here goes nothing. We are curing her. Oh, I almost just drank some acetone.
Do you see that? Holy, I was doing a terrible job. Do you see how good that shit is? I am actually shook.
I'm gonna do this all the time. I'm gonna do this every day. No, I'm just kidding. That's bad for my nails, but still, I'm shook. They're like greased up or something. I don't know, because it comes right off. Like you just have to wiggle it back and forth for a second, and then it pops off like that, and then your nail is just on there. And like at first it looks rough, okay? But then, hold on, this one needs to be cured for a second more. After curing them a couple times, they've gotten really hard. And I want to say that. Like at first they're kind of bendy, and probably because they weren't officially like totally dry. But I've cured them along with these, like the other ones, a couple times. Oh yes, moment of truth. Okay, that's not bad. Okay, let's cure that a little bit. Oh no, we'll file it. So the only problem I have was that this took a long time. So if I'm able to do this and do all my nails at once like this, then it didn't take a long time. It was just because I was being psycho. I have my first hand done, and other than the fact that my cuticles look extremely dry from like buffing it out and also not trimming my cuticles, like there's that, but other than that, it doesn't look too bad. Popping the nail forms off, probably my favorite part, because it's like satisfying or something. I don't know. Ooh, these two, my ring and pinky, I made them a little bit messy, but I learned that I can fix that. All right, you guys, I am all finished. My manicure is complete. I'm all done. Oh my gosh, what is my dog doing? Thoughts. Wasn't super hard. It took a minute to get used to. I wanted to do ombre. That didn't work out. That was a little bit too hard for me. This is the brand again, Make-Heart. Not affiliated with them, so these are my real opinions. I've never used another polygel kit to compare it to, but it was pretty easy. They look super good. I'll give you guys a little bit of a close-up. I just put some shea butter on my cuticles because I kind of went in on the nail buffing and stuff, so I wanted to make sure that they were nice and juiced back up so they weren't super dry. So my nails aren't as shiny because there's some oil on them right now, but they're actually cute. It looks like I went and got my nails done. I mean, it looks like an amateur did my nails. Okay, it doesn't look like I like went and got them done, but this is like a really cheap alternative to going to get your nails done. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Our family is growing, on our way to 20K. If you got your own polygel kit, comment down below and tell me if you had any easy tips or tricks or anything I did wrong so I know to fix it. And if you are buying this kit because you're watching this video, send me pictures of your nails when you're done on my Instagram. All my socials will be linked down below, including my Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok. I have a Facebook too, but it's kind of more... It's not super active. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.